Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to stop the ads on your phone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Click on profile picture at the top right. Locate and click on Play Protect. Now go ahead and click on scan. This is going to help you to scan for any suspicious application on your Android phone. And if any suspicious application is identified, go ahead and uninstall the application. And again, go ahead and open the settings app on your Android phone. On the settings page, click on search. On the settings homepage, search for DNS. Click on private DNS. Then select private DNS. Make sure you select provide DNS provider hostname. And then type this address dns.hardguard.com and then click on save. Now this should help you to stop any ads on your phone. However, if this causes havoc on your phone, just come back here and then choose automatic, click on save, and then you are good. So that is basically how to stop the ads on your phone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.